Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to host virtual trivia games using AI. So you will just make sure you will just log in with Google AI Studio in Gemini. So in the left side you will see the stream real time. So you will just tab on it, and after here you will see the multi-modal live API with Gemini 2.0. So start interacting in real time using text, voice, video or screen sharing. And what gonna do, you will just simply tap on it, share your screen, and you will just tab on it, stream real time your entire Chrome, and I will be just
Okay,
on
so the
this.
user will,
Okay, Gemini, tell me that how to
okay,
solve this quiz.
sure. The question asks what sound is associated with Santa? The answer is ho, ho, ho. Is there anything else I can help with?
Okay, Gemini, tell me the next question, how to solve it.
Okay, to solve this quiz question, you must select all of the correct names for Santa Claus. Those are St. Nicholas, Father Christmas, St. Nick, and Kris Kringle. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, Gemini, solve this quiz. It is true or false, and read this question.
Okay, the statement reads one of Santa's predecessors is St. Nicholas, a 4th century Greek Christian bishop of Myra, known for his generous gifts. This statement is true. Is there anything else?
So guys, in this way you can just use to host virtual trivia games using AI, to using the Google AI Studio Gemini 2.0 version. So you will just easily use it. You will just tap on it, screen real time sharing, and it will be work on it. You will just simply ask them to solve the whatever you want to solve it, and it will tell you the accurate answers. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.